To upload and edit PDF in Canva, let's come over to this sign that says upload here and click on it to upload a PDF. I would select my PDF and you see the upload process is going on. When you finish uploading, it says uploaded to uploads, which is where we are currently. I'm just going to come here where it says type and click on designs, because once your PDF uploads, it's going to upload as a design. And I will click on the PDF. Our PDF has opened up in the editor, and from here you can switch things up. You see, if I click on this, you see that things are clickable. I can edit this to something, and you can scroll your PDF pages and change whatever it is you want to change in your PDF. Another thing you can do for each pages is to click on whatever page you want to edit and go into position and come into layers. You will see every element that is on your page in this place. I can actually delete this and have this place empty. We can move things around to edit your PDF properly. This is how easy it is to upload and edit PDF in Canva.